So this is my personal project for week 8 for cse341. I did a to-do list. So here we go. Here is my Heroku app. I'm currently logged out. And then the user is able to log in. And it shows that the user is logged in. And if we go into the API docs, the user is able to get the to-do list, post to it, then execute it through, and it is posting. If I go over here to my database and refresh it, you'll see there's task 4 I put in. The user can also get by ID. And as you can see, it brings it up, and then the user is able to change it. If we come back over here to the database and reload it, you can see you have task 3, and then it created a new task 3, and then it updated task 4. And then also the user is able to delete the post. And if I refresh here again, you can see that it has been deleted. The user is also working the same aspects. And so yeah, and then if we go back up to here and go to log out, we'll take you back out, exits you out, and it shows you're logged out. And so that is my functioning program. Thank you for your time, and this was a very interesting project that I struggled with a lot, but by the time that I got it all done and completed, I actually was rather impressed because I was able to figure out how to get it to work.